Streamers. So in this video, for this live stream, we are trying to solve the problem of the day. So okay, let's jump dive into this thing. Okay, it is similar to the previous question, like robots solution also. Yeah, why my yeah. Maximum walls destroyed by the robots. The AI is already killing these things and it is trying to destroy the walls of sun. Hmm. I'm grabbing my notes. Wait a few seconds. Okay. Maximum powers destroyed by the robot. So let's start the timer. I think so it will be complete in 30 minutes. Okay, see. There is an ending straight line filled with some robots. You are given string of trees, robots, distance, and walls. Okay. Robo I is the position of the robot. Okay. I is a regular time. Every robot has one bullet, right? Either fire to left or right. Most instances, they did not even mention the distance of the bullet, where it will, how much it will go. Okay, not bad. So after that, the bullet will destroy every wall of the car. So that bullet has so much of power, I think so. It will destroy everything. And I think so, not destroy, it will breaks. But they mentioned wall destroys by robots. That uh, written the maximum and wait and yeah, wait. Next time onwards, I should bring my mouse and keyboard with. Written the maximum and minimum. So as per 2 days back, also they gave Robo Collision at April 1st. So I think so. These both are similar. Notes a wall and a robot may share same position. Just start with robot diagrams. I understand the question. Okay. The past test cases. Hmm. Okay. So all values are equal. Means there is no particular thing to this thing. So I think so. We have to sort everything uh, to get sort the exact positions of the robot. So we can get exact positions and the walls of the. So it is. I think so. It is a DP state problem. Huh? Hmm. I think so. We have to use DP also. Wait, I will see names. Sort both the robots and walls arrays. Okay. Each robot should either left or right. Okay, there is only two statements that either it left fire to left or right. It will not fire on Upside or downside. Okay, nice. What about the hint three? Each robot should, okay, what about the three? Binary search. Oh, okay, lower bound and upper bound. Only zero and ones. Is a certain range, not an unlimited range. But they mentioned that here, right. Distance I meters. So it is only a particular certain range. So we have to define a particular range to it. Okay. Hmm. We can use dynamic programming. I did not heard about dynamic programming today. Okay. So what's that? So, okay. One of the topics I've mentioned is so there is only 41% of acceptance. Okay. I know only sorting and binary search array. These three concepts I have kind of big. So okay, they did not mention anything in the code, only except these. I think so. My screen is moving, right? Yes. Why my screen is moving? How is it now? So, okay. Solved. Hmm. Calculation. The bullet range. So we have to also we have to calculate the bullet range. Correct. I guess is correct. So for the maximum, we have to again do like previous thing. We should also use the time complexity because in a previous yesterday's thing was a mistake. Time exceeded. It only passes two test cases in 1 second. So that's why we should use the time complexity. I think so. We have to use O log and log O and like that. O and I think so. We should not use any kind of space complexity for this. We can write a limited lines of code, not unlimited. Sometimes it's kind of with writing unlimited lines of code and these things. First, I think so. We have to sort everything like arrays. Arrays means arrays are considered as robots, so we have uh, keep the exact position of the robots, and after that, they have only a particular thing like identifier left left or right. So we can sort the ones and also use a binary search like binary search is considered as a bicep. Bicep to quickly count the how many balls are fallen when a bullet is launched by a bot. Okay, so that's for sorting. I think so for that AP state. The bullet has interacted or destroyed how many ones we have to see. So okay, we have to consider as will be 0 and 1 because string starts with 0 and 1. So if we consider as 1, so it may get any error. So we have to start from 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. For character, so and also we have to match for and we have to measure the distance of the flight, how much distance it had went from the gun. Yeah, they did not even mention that the bullet is came from the gun. If a bullet hits like a grass, they did not even mention a word like gun. I think so. It is kind of it's kind of restricted word in it for it. Okay, let's see. So for I think we should use first thing we should always consider left or right arm. The strongest arm is always right, so it is always considered as first thing. So for this time we will consider as a left. So we will give the string 0 value to the left and 1 to the right. So as per the norms, for these test cases, they have kept for 10 code systems like first analyze, we have to analyze this entire question. After that, we upgrade the I think so. We have to import any kind of thing like bicep and I think so. We have to import list also because they did not even mention the list functions. So we have to mention the list. Even I will be also there. Guys, some try to solve this thing. Already 12 minutes are up. So, what are the things that's it? Without using AI, it is very difficult. So, tomorrow morning exam, sorry, today's morning exam also, I try not to use AI. Don't ask me how I used AI in my exam. And I even also quoted my sir just warned me and they gave a question that sorting array, I written, and some kind of thing like one key series, some like physical steps was pressed. So I kept the values in class. Definitely and written. So to tomorrow there is like having we will prepare those things. WhatsApp, I try to right. And there is a bad thing happened today. Decentralized. What's fine. So the question now, so let's solve it. But we have to sort everything in an address area. These guys are moving mistake stuff here. Shit. So we have to sort everything first. That's like a robot where robots and its disciplines and these two are considered as arrays. Okay. And after that, we have to sort the walls. It is also considered as an array, but we have to use a binary search for it. Okay. Binary search is considered as biset, not biset. Biset. Okay. So click on any walls. So many walls will be called from it. Okay. Let's solve it. So first we have to import some predefined things like pandas, not pandas, from by set. And yesterday I made a mistake like the spelling mistakes like M or IFP like that, so I should not write any kind of mistakes. So after that I have import the bicep first we have so we are considered as a zero for the first string as for the left. So it's something the first priority. After that, right. Okay. By set okay, minus that by that. Okay, we had imported the bicep module and we imported the bicep left and right. So there is only two things. The robot can fire only left or right. So that's why we consider as only left and right. Okay. After that, we have to import the typing function because they have already mentioned some kind of issue to it. So we have to import uh, typing even I am I think so. Wait a second. Yes, we can write this. Wait. The code may be messed up. So we write like this. So that there is a class solution. Also, they define maximum was self about list. So they also list is done. Okay, after. So we have to first consider robots as n. It is a common word. So n is equals length of robots. Length of robots. Okay. After that, array. They are AI. Register is equals. First, we have to sort these things. Also, we consider must be give priority to sort. Okay. Sorted. And yeah, keeping sequence, we have to. It's like that. But sorting, but it's not similar like one sort. It is a kind of a medium. And means combining all those elements and like there are three things. So robots, one is another is distance, and one is also. We have to check these three things into one module. If we write separately, the time accident may be occur and it will fail the test cases. It will not pass all the test cases within the time. So we will consider the robot and distance, not walls. Sorry, because walls are considered as binary cells. So comma one bisect. Not bisect, sorry. Binary cells. If I said like Okay. So, we puts our spelling is correct. Yeah, distance is after that. So we have to use lambda. So, right. Is was up. What is spelling? Yeah. If the function did not get any kind of color like this, it is wrong. Okay, the color means it's considered as color. So it is considered as the rice. So we should give, give it as zero. So first, after that, we have to sort the array like sort, wait, sort all sounds. Yes, but sort not done with what also and it's not so far. Hmm. What's for the sort one? So if I got it, so so if I got error in this thing, I will write like reverse. Okay. So after that, we have to use db is main object is considered as db goal. Okay. db goals 0, comma 0. That we also gave the dbs. So is they gave any kind of db? No, they did not give. So uh, we have to use so I look for okay, we use for Wait a second. So I'm started now seeing the chart. So thank you, Shams, and that would have big shout out to you for supporting me. Okay. So let's stop diving. Yeah, we next. But also we consider that the error. So length of the robots. Okay. But then the current DB is considered as 0, 0, okay. And after that, first we defined already left thing, no? So just we mention that we can consider as yeah, yeah, I items, yes, right. And see, items we should give any kind of family distance. So, and I think what and Jit also, if the rover fires, it will. So first we have to, if rover fires the grenade and it hits the wall first. After that, we calculate the distance. So we have to use first. We should. I understand. array as well as shade and space or equalities. It is so wait, in the fires the bullet from its arm like GT. So first it hits the wall. After that we calculate the distance. So that's why we consider as I. So the I contains both the distance and over. So we should not give any kind of another kind of element like A, like B, like distance, B for specifically not like that. So yeah, after that if this we have to use I think so if else statement again, not again. If I value is greater than 0, uh, it should be the maximum. Yeah, left, uh, left is equals to maximum value. Okay, so already we consider as left as for this thing. If it passes the minimum, okay. Again, if it comes maximum, it will consider as same. Wait. Okay, let's try it. If it happens, okay. Or I will change this thing to this. So array at I minus 1. Okay. Um, consider as 0. Let's 1. Okay. Okay. I will talk. The rules consider as no. So can be equals to why should we write? Wait. We define the left thing. After that, we should write bicep. Bicep first we consider left. And we do on this bicep. The thing contains walls. That element should be taken a right for R. Okay. Consider. I think so. We have to use an array function for the right thing because hey, oh my God. This problem is very hard. They also mention. Table sticking up here is. Yeah, that's it. I'm writing in my notes as well as in my things, so that's why it is taking so much time. Or not, I was seeing it and on the side. All values are here. I know it's kind of very stressful here. How these guys solve this question. I mean, even I using the games, but I can't solve it. Wait, you see the discussions. What shit. Yeah, of course, first, okay, our approach is correct. We have to use left and right, okay. Okay, there is a condition that a robot cannot pass through another robot. Means they will not attack themselves like that. Okay, each robot is going there is sniper. Okay, so yeah, left trains they mention this, and the right train can mention this. I can also pass this thing by using this also left and right. The maximum as I gave the maximum to right and minimum to left. Both are considered as completing. Short example means if you're giving if 1 plus 2 is equals to 3, the answer will be always considered as a 3. 2 plus 1 also it is considered as a 3. So that's why I gave left is the minimum and right is maximum. So for each robot, left one. Okay, we are okay. I did not mention this num I. So for the counting, how many DB transaction? Yes, I'm right. It is considered as DB program. Yes, okay. But they did not even mention that. Oh, when complexity also nice. Good to know. Oh, we gave the code also. We will not see the code. Yeah, I understand the code. Yeah, I will try to write the code again. If any of my friends start watching this stream, thank you guys so much for seeing my live. They have it out. Why my camera is working? Camera light, camera beside there will be light. If we use the camera, so it will be considered. If the light will be my camera light was blinking on and off. I think so. I downloaded from OBS Studio. Yes, yeah, it is considered as priority because it's very tough. Yes. My time is ticking up. Yeah, like go give some kinds of things. And the board as per the common developments. After uh, oh my god, I can't even understand 900, but I written it. No, if R is greater than so left is greater than it's considered as 0. So this thing is considered as that and yes, DV. It's like 0. The previous that is so that's after that we get the exact value of we did we did not get any kind of indentation that was correctly right the ball. Okay. After that I was prepared so we have to use the walls of the for this thing. So that's one change change English. Right. Using this thing for a long time. So the elements I used to go and 1. So there are only two values now, so I gave the two values. So, right, right. So instance, already defined them. After that, we should not write any kind of right. One, 0 plus already defined. So the yeah, so it is a kind of stressful answer, right? Plus 1. After that, 0 minus, okay, a minus, so I plus a plus 1 one after that there is always after this place. I use it for loop. After that if loop, after that if not if loop, just if else statement. After that I can use it. Will I get any error? Let's find out. So it is completed. If this function works, then right equals to again minimum. But there is a small change because the guy who knew the he mentioned this statement, right? I plus and so that plus one. Moment times. But I get I post and right maximum right right I number. So you do not mention any plus one or minus for this thing. If the it look runs and if it passes this thing, it will not go to a statement. If it fails, it will go to a statement. Don't ask me if this both fails. No, it will pass anything, any of these two things. So that's why using self statement. Example like, don't take it personally. If your crush accepts the love, you will continue to have it. Or you will see another. Or guys will focus on that area. Okay, very good. Right. Okay. Nice. So that's any of these two will only happen. Either either she says yes or she says yes. If she say yes, it will consider as committed. If she say no, it's all up to you. You can make a, you can become a transformer or you can get some blah 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 blah. But what about you just thought? Hello, I'm very bad at advice. Okay, for this thing is happened. So again, we have to write this entire code here for the second. So it is considered as I2 equals to. So let me mention the left and right. So wait, we are wait. That is wait as by set and and it is right, right. But unless runs the code for the that to equals by set right. I there so for right thing. So yeah, so that we have to count how many bullets, how many walls are destroyed from the bullet which was launched by. So we have to write this thing and the current rate. No, no, no. Actually, we already be defined. So I can write it will become a duplicate string. Hmm. Should I do? Let's see. First, we with maximum value. With max. Right. Yeah. But we have to use previous data equals something. So the current rate way set if the is considered as just give it as zero. Yeah, let's check it. What are the errors? Nice. Text errors. Line 7. Oh, what is this? Text. Well, this text. Argues is here. Okay. Array is equals to S1 to the robots. I will go yes. Comma. Yes. 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 Why I gave to this? It should close here. So in this understanding, it should contain so that so that's right. So after that, again, indentation. What? Sorry. Wait. Controllers. Okay. 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 Indentation. Okay. I will get only international answering. So for this one, no only I can choose so I this. This thing. And this thing. Okay, thanks. What is the hey, what? Oh, international address. So, attention. Wait, wait, wait. Hey, yaar, I did not get even one spelling mistake. It is interpreted now, so it's like using the one by line by line. That it is very concept. We will yes. I can I should use AI now. Let's wait a second. Spelling mistake. Maybe there is error there. See, we are going to see once they see the test cases and our test results. It came exactly. Should I remove this thing now? Oh, if I remove those things, wait 1 second. Trying to do miracles. Let's see how. First time I will get what hmm, should I search? Spelling is also correct. Why have an error? Wait, why sent both are right now, yeah. Why BAS for BAS. Oh, Z S E S E S E C T. I written BAS. BAS. Okay, I understand now. What? And there is one area thing without using AI. I said VASCCB, VISCC, okay, VISCC, left VRH. Array, I'm not learning coding here, I'm now learning spelling mistakes here, mistakes, alphabets, words, emotion, typing. It's my fault, yeah. Next up, this line will be always considered as correct, so then it's like the fine is considered as like error inconsistency. Let's do you watch false watch reading space is inconsistent. Where are they? Holy shit. 69. Okay. So yeah, they mentioned time and again here I said SCC. Wait, where is this thing left? Array I 0 and j minus. Yeah, no, I mentioned so that's the case. Did not get any errors. Incorrect count condition. Wait, what? What is error in this thing? Count left and left r minus 1 if r is greater than else 0. Correct or not? So that answer count right where is count here count right equals to answer and answer. अरे I spent this basket work everything right. Hmm. Oh, so, yeah, I said change. I should. It is considered as correct, so I can remove the thing. Yes. It's try this to function. What is that? Right module available. Full screen, yeah. There is no like that. What should I do? I think so. Capital because in Python there is considered as small letters also considered as capital. Yeah, it's okay. Let's go with fix it. That means the line is equals to array. Bounded array. Written. Why I written? Okay, right. Good job. It set nothing but it's very interesting. We are rushed. There is no other getting soon in the future. Captains should I reuse or what? Um, concept is so temporary, so okay. And what should we do? So with these two values and if this passes and we write example like this, okay, right? Like that for strange inside what state of it's remove this thing and I do minus sorry first way right is making plus and to extend okay if one two plus greater than equal to else say we can write it all this thing in one line but in not exchange equals this so I don't have a signal right equals previous dt array is plus one so okay we have right one plus actually I'm swiping the keyboard like a mobile that's like current current ap that's good so after that we can write that the maximum statement like previous one answer answer converted so minimum value that answer right yeah Spelling mistakes. Set man. Can I made a mistake? Oh, I did not mention that J, I, yeah. Wait, what? Alpha should be used. Where I didn't stay, yeah. Maximum concept. This is wait. I get this out of this. It is live eating live. Oh my god, it was confusing. Wait, guys, wait if I can. I will drink some water and then fill the water. Wait 5 seconds. 5 minutes, guys. I'll come back. You guys back. Sorry for the dinner. Okay. Let's solve this thing. Little checking kind of solutions. Something like, oh, they use it as that is for a minute. I got an important call from my father. So let's see. Okay, wait, is it okay? Talk this. Hey guys, this unlimited again. Shit, not magic. Sorry. Yes. Oh, guys. What guys? It nearly changed. It, nearly five things. So, okay, first one to count left r minus one is currently existing. Yes. Okay, I copied a mistake. Count left we should not use like this. Okay, so I remove it and I paste this. Okay, And after that answer right is equals to previous. Oh, I should mention the TP thing, okay, previous TP, and plus the count right also. Okay, okay. Answer right equals to previous that we should not write like that, right? So after what is the broken TP of the okay, I go. Oh, shit, that previous TP one. So I should not mention any kind of stringy name types. Once again. Word. You should not write like this. Wait, I got international. Last super. So that is, I did not copy paste. I copy paste. Okay, I say. But in previous thing, wait, Alt plus Z, Alt plus Z. Before editing this thing, the test case results were came same. But now there is only kind of some kind of errors in this thing. That's why it was coming out. So, okay. Next time, what I should use chat GPT. What should be? Now I use it. Wait, अरे यार, अरे हिंदी से best के दस Oh, it's that. Oh my God. What should I do? Should I use Gemini? Gemini. One second, guys. Wait one second. For Gemini, there is error, I think. So I should log into like Google. Skill, I will do this code to chart. Work to pilot. Yes, parts. Not about the test case, but why it's lacking. Hey, yeah, but in previous submission I did not get it's the what's going on there. Anyways, bro, the code got correct. I think so. I changed this thing. Some I did. Yes. ChatGPT. Did good. Nice. Oh my god. Shit. Robo is not firing the you and then let's hit the plan. Destroy. Yes. Destroy. Destroy. Or destroy. Destroy. Oh my god. So much of it. 1 hour 20 minutes. I thought it will complete in 30 minutes. So this is my GitHub to follow this thing. You wish only. Okay. So model of this thing, I understand. So much of time to start. There is so many indentation errors, but even we solve it. So that's why I kept the star. Oh my god, my mobile charging was almost gone. Okay, let's pack it up. Yeah, I will explain what I learned from this problem. First, to solve this problem, we should sort by using binary search. It is considered as bisect to count the elements very fastly or quickly. So they mentioned only two, no, left or right. So that's why we consider as so we use the DT statement problem. So again, they mentioned one thing that only the bullets will fire left or right. So it is like an stopping function or preventing overlap. So okay, for like complexity, I think so. They use sorry, wait, wait. I did not know what type of complexity. I think so. OM log I mentioned. Ah yes, surely OM log. Last again for confirmation. See what we yes O and log. But I said MN and is also okay. O and M plus. Summary one plus what? How rare? So anyways, so let's back it up, guys. So thanks for watching the stream from starting off you came in middle, no problem. Okay. I hope you learned something from me from this live stream. So if you like this stream only, like it, if you want to share this content, share to your friends who is struggling with coding because I was also struggling with coding. So that's why I mentioned these things. So, okay, tomorrow to tomorrow at this same time I can't tell, but there is a particular thing that is a particular time I will do 1 hour times live stream. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. Take care.